happening. Are you serious?
Need to know, there's not a lot of brown people who could do this. Skills that you have taken for granted.
That's right.
Yes?
I fail physics though.
Look at that. Look at the pork. Look at the crispiness of the pork. And the carrots and all that stuff. Look at it. Now I'm gonna try it. Mmm.
You have to do the head.
Mmm. Oh yeah, that chili is good. This one is really good. I like it. I think I haven't had a really good banh mi for a insane amount of time. I think. But the chili is okay. I mean, it's not very. It's not like crazy hot.
It's a big boy.
It's a thick boy. So this is gonna be the custard apple. Really smooth, really creamy, very sweet. Perfect if you are having chili.
This is the spicy beef and pork with the pork trotter. Oh, and it's not like your rice.
It's not the rice
different
noodle.
noodle.
Yeah.
Not the. It's rice noodle, but it's not like the flat rice noodle.
Yeah.
All right.
And then we have the pork chop with broken rice.
It's good. Some protein.
Oh.
It's good, right?
Yeah. Flavor some. This is a good meal.
People are gonna be so angry that your mommy's gonna die.
That's what I thought I was missing. Like, why is it so difficult? And then I realized, oh, it's a chopstick.
My friend told me that you're meant to like make it like a mix it.
Cheers. Cheers.